This is the Realme 10 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta enter the Wi-Fi settings. The quickest and the most convenient way to do that is by launching the Control and Notification Center, then finding the Wi-Fi shortcut. It looks exactly like so. Then tap and hold on it. Choose what Wi-Fi network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that my device is currently connected to, and tap on it. At the following network details page, tap on the Wi-Fi QR code section. That should be at the very top of the page. And as you can see, the following, dialog window, will provide you with both the actual Wi-Fi network password, which is in my case HardReset, and the QR code, which you can scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.